And then we got Ethan Hagen, scooter check. Go.
Alright, starting off at the top, we got black ODIs, black bar ends, nice and comfy, long necks. Alright, here we got T-bars, red district. And then we got black district clamp, really nice. We got some red district forks, pretty much full district. We got a black district headset. And then going down, we got red district deck 4.0, 4.5, white on black skull grip tape. And then we got red district brake. Front we got a phantom wheel, white on black, lucky bearings. Same with the back wheel, white on black, phantom, lucky bearings. Yep, nice scooter. Drop test. Here we go. Really nice.